In today's quick video, I will show you how to use Microsoft Word for free and in a completely legal way. Firstly, open any web browser of your choice and then type office.com in the search bar. Once the Office 365 homepage loads up, click on the sign in button. If you have a Microsoft account, then log in with your details. However, if you don't have one, then simply create it. Now from the left hand side, select Word. You can choose any template and start working. All of your work will be saved on the cloud, and if you want to share a Word document, then simply download it. If this video helped you in any way, then consider subscribing.